case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard a landmark case in 1892, Boyd v. United States, which centered around the concept of fair trial. This case underscored the universal principle that a trial must be conducted with impartiality, where all evidence presented must be relevant, all witnesses legally competent, and the jury appropriately guided. In the original indictment, a group of defendants was accused of murder in Indian country. The case took a dramatic turn when the defendants came forward with a claim of self-defense, alleging that the victims, led by a ferryman, had approached them armed and ready to fire. The victims, according to the defendants, were ostensibly on a mission to apprehend the culprits behind a robbery incident involving Judge Taylor. In a controversial move, the lower court found the defendants guilty. This verdict was backed by the evidence presented from unrelated prior robberies and a pivotal witness, who, despite a history of larceny, was ruled competent to testify following a presidential pardon. The defendants, subsequently sentenced to death, contested the verdict and appealed to the Supreme Court, questioning both the admissibility of the unrelated robbery evidence and the testimony of a pardoned convict. In a landmark decision penned by Justice Harlan, the Supreme Court reversed the lower court's ruling, ordering a new trial. The court held that the admittance of the unrelated evidence was incorrect and profoundly biased. Justice Harlan noted that, under the law, defendants should only be tried for the specific offense with which they were charged. This case asserted the significance of procedural correctness in the pursuit of justice. It underscored that in a criminal trial, especially where the punishment included the possibility of death, the court should strictly adhere to the established legal precedents and rules.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.